A big keyboard, that every key has its own space and place, beautiful light colors, you feel comfortable when typing, and exciting, easy to plug and start play. The keyboard came ASAP. It's a YOOSO TM. Very sturdy and nice color of black. I love that it came in great packaging. Definitely worth the money. This keyboard is great for the price and it goes well beyond the value period. While the RGB lights are not customizable, they still have a good overall aesthetic. The brown switches are good, not great. They definitely could have a little bit more travel and be a little bit smoother. The build quality on this thing is amazing and the keycaps are a pleasure to type on. It feels like a $60 keyboard for much less. I am not a mechanical keyboard expert, but this keyboard looks solid and well made for the price. The clicky sound is good and noisy. The keys need to be pressed deeper than typical laptop keyboards. I think this is expected of blue switches. This is my first mechanical keyboard purchase, so I cannot compare to the more expensive brands. For $35, this keyboard is a bargain for the build and feel of the keys. I hate typing on mushy, flat keyboards and my 11-year-old Keytronics keyboard is a bit worn. The backlighting is great for typing at night in the dimly lit corner of my room. A note that the keyboard needs to be plugged directly into the computer or maybe a powered USB hub. It was causing problem with other devices when I had this plugged into a non-powered USB hub. This keyboard comes with 5 spare switches and a keycap puller. I'm thinking of getting another one as a spare.